Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and this is Abhi. Fabrics generally falls under two categories, wovens and knits. Woven fabrics are produced through weaving two sets of yarn, while knit fabrics are produced through interlooping one set of yarn. In a nutshell, all your t-shirts are made from knits and your button-up shirts are made from woven. A woven fabric is so firm and never stretches, while knit fabrics stretches easily and retains its shape. One great thing about using knitted fabric is that it doesn't need any zipper or buttons. So, a woven fabric can also be made stretchy by adding spandex or elastane fiber to it. Knit fabrics are of two types: two-way stretch, which means the fabric stretches from side to side, it doesn't stretch up and down, and four-way stretch, which stretches from side to side and also up and down. Mostly the four-way stretch includes a little bit of spandex in them. Let's see what happens when a regular straight stitch is used on a knit fabric. It gives a puckered and a messy finish, and upon stretch, it just breaks out. Now, tune your machine to the zigzag mode. Here, it's either option 3 or 4. The stitch expands along with the fabric as it goes, and hence it's the most preferred stitch for a knit fabric. Let's see how to use a twin needle. Just unscrew the needle holder, remove the previous needle, and now place the twin needle in the position and screw it. Now we have got two needles, so it needs two threads and both the needles has to be threaded. And of course a single bobbin. I'm mentioning this as I had this doubt when I started working on it. Go ahead with the regular straight stitch. This is the finished look. This stitch also expands along with the fabric. To hem a t-shirt, just fold the fabric along the neckline or sleeve or the bottom and give it a straight stitch by a twin needle on the right side. In the wrong side, you'd have got the zigzag stitch, which is the most preferred for this knitted fabric. And this is it. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe for more videos.